everyone, my name is Neena and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So first of all, let me wish a very happy new year to all of you. And ये साल आपका बहुत अच्छा रहे और बहुत healthy रहे. And may your all wish come true in this year. So you must be thinking, what is the topic of this video? So it is nothing but just an introduction about my channel. So here in my channel, you will get lot many interesting things related to fashion, clothing, styling, reviews, and beauty products, hairstyles, and lot many things. So if you are interested to watch such type of stuff, then please connect with me and subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. And this is about this video. Stay connected with me and you will get lot many interesting things in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching it. Love you all. Bye for now. Take care.